You see, now they are demolishing house. These settlers come here, steal our land as Palestinians, digging on it and build their homes. I mean, the state support them doing that and providing the infrastructure for the settlers on my land, uprooting us from here by demolishing our homes, schools, and water well and roads.
We're using this military today to push Palestinians away from their homes. When we send 18-year-old soldiers to stand by and protect settlers while they attack Palestinians, or when we use 18-year-old soldiers to train near Palestinian villages, we are basically using them as a pawn in a political game that doesn't have anything to do with Israel's defense.
ولو يشوف الجيش بخوضها أخذوا عدة خلايا قاموهم من الناس بخطوه.
هدول جميلة.
خايفين يعني يجون يهودوا الشيء. فيش مستقبل عندنا، لا مستقبل ولا حاجة.